Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the get content commandlet. This commandlet is basically used to get the contents of a text file. Basically, in this case, suppose in any situation, if you want to get the contents of a file, means you want to display whatever written in a text file onto a Windows console, or to use it as a input from a user, then you can use this command get content commandlet. Actually, this get content. So right now I have a text file which is uh, the name of which is test.txt. So I want to display the content of this text file. So how I will do it? First of all, let us see what is written in this file. So as you can see that um, what is written is that PowerShell is very powerful, very useful and powerful scripting language. Okay, so I've written this thing. Okay. So if I want to display it on the PowerShell console, so how I will do it? Right now, the default path of PowerShell is a desktop. So what I will do is I will use the get content commandlet and then give the address of the text file of whose content I want to display. So right now it's on desktop, so there's no need to mention the full path. So I'll just give the name test.txt, and once you will enter, press enter key, it will give you what is inside the test file. And as you can see, uh, what was here is displayed on the PowerShell console. So you can see PowerShell is very useful and powerful scripting language. Okay, so this we have displayed. Basically, what is the use of this command or commandlet is, suppose if you are designing any application in which you want some input from user, and that input is fixed. Suppose once the user enters that input, then you don't need every time if application runs, user should enter that any option which is provided. So for that, once this get content file is used, and he will enter whatever thing you want to enter, and once enter, you can whenever the application run, it will refer from take the input from that text file. So here later on I will develop or design an application where I will show the use of this. And now I have another commandlet which is known as add content. Suppose if you want to add anything on the text file, then how we will do it? So for this we have this add content commandlet. We will give the address of the text file on which you want to add, and then let's add this. This is just a test. Okay. Now this thing is added in the text file. We can see it. As you can see that it is added now, and we can use the get content command to get to know uh, what is going on. So here you can see this, that it is the content or whatever we wanted to add, it has been added. Okay. So this is all about the add content and get content command. And thanks for watching, and if you find it useful, please subscribe to my channel and share it, and uh, give thumbs up if you like. Thank you.